Upper Macungie and Hassen Creek Nature Trail. It's only about a mile long, and if you want to check this out, we'll show you a little bit of what's coming up in this video. Okay, so starting out on the Hassen Creek Nature Trail, Lumberjack Jr. is with us today. Decided to come out and get some exercise, and we'll try to take look at as many of these boards as possible. This shows the Lehigh Portland Cement Company, the Fogelsville plant. As you look about 10 yards below you, will see a square flat area, which is the remains of the foundation of the pump house for the Fogelsville plant. And of course all kinds of different information about different buildings that might have been down in here. And I think we can see down through there, we can see some concrete foundation down there.
I do see that.
Today is Labor Day. What's that, September 2nd or 3rd?
I think it's the 2nd.
And it's about 73 degrees out. And there were no clouds in the sky on our way up here, but we are a little 40 minutes north of where we live, and so there are some clouds that you can see through that canopy there. And as we showed you before, that's the parking lot back in that way, and there's the gate. And right away on the right hand side here we have one of those basins to empty the water out. I guess runoff from the road and the hill and whatever. And yeah, boy, this is kind of neat to find a new place. I looked on Google Maps, as I always do, and just look for green areas with water or whatever. Actually, no, the reality is I searched for places near Breiningsville to hike, and I found this place and another one as well for the future, and thought to myself, well, let's go out and check this out. It's only a short hike. Now, I will say I did a preview of this place, and I found a video by Hiking is for the Cows, COWLES, and it was a really nice preview. And apparently what happened here is this stream that you see down there, that stream led into a place that was dammed off, and they used that water, I believe, for some kind of business or whatever. Besides the cement plant, and I guess it became too unviable, and they lowered the water level by letting some water I guess undoing part of the dam, and now it created a really neat looking man-made waterfall. And so
It's man-made?
yeah.
Oh, wow.
Yep, man-made waterfall.
I didn't even see that.
Yeah.
Looks like there's something built there too.
Yep. Now, my understanding from that preview video I watched from Hiking with the Cows, yeah, all steps.
Got some stairs.
Very
An
neat.
old building that was once there.
Is that there was a house here or a cabin or something like that. Notwithstanding, I see somebody's jacket or coat over in there.
I think the stairs are part of the trail, because I see some here too. And
Yep. Well, I think at one time there was a building here, Joe, or a house or something like that. Look at that. Wow. Yep, and then you see the pylons right there, and I have to admit the Hiking with the Cows video showed that as well.
This is part of it.
Yep.
Cool. Poison ivy. Be careful.
Yep, and there's a cement wall there, foundation.
That's cool.
And more pylons as you go down the hill there. I don't want to get down too far and then fall down in there, but
No. It's like walking on the roof if you go down.
yeah.
I remember that, putting shingles on.
Very neat.
Ooh. Oh yeah. Look at that tree. Wow, that's a weird bug on your pants.
Hitching a ride.
Yeah, we're getting to our destination here. There it is.
Aha, there it is.
I believe there's a better way to get down there than that, but all of this back here would have been water.
Wow. That's so cool.
A little easier to get down probably right through here.
Oh yeah.
So now we are going to go and see if the channel sticker for hiking is for the cows is still here. And they came out here in the winter, so it wasn't nearly as filled with vegetation. So it's going to be a little bit, I wouldn't call it difficult, but
It's probably long gone by now.
we're going to go into here. And my memory serves me correctly. It was underneath these sticks right here, and it was probably already found, but we'll just take a quick look and see if it's still here. Did it fall on the ground? It was in a baggie. It was like right in here. Thought I saw something move at me. I thought he wedged it down in there, and yeah, I'm not seeing it
No stickers.
as of yet. It probably was found. I don't see anything in there.
They put this in the winter, you said?
Yeah,
Probably is long gone.
and I don't see anything on the ground. So somebody got it. Good for them.
Whoever got it.
Yep, absolutely. All right.
Get out of here.
So on our way back, I think we might, thank you, sir. I think we might end up going on that other trail down closer to the creek. Look at that billy goat. All right, I guess we're following the leader. That's funny because he doesn't even have hiking shoes on. Heading down to that lower trail, we think. A little bit treacherous here, but Lumberjack's leading us. Lumberjack Jr., that is.
I got my roofing shoes on.
Yes. I just told him let's try going sideways with our feet. Maybe that'll help us. I don't know.
It works.
Hopefully there's a trail down here. It looks like it kind of, sort of, maybe-ish.
Small one. Pretty overgrown.
We saw one earlier, and I just thought, well, wouldn't that be nice to kind of get down in here and see what's along here?
I don't know if it goes that way or this way.
It looks like it was a trail at one time, and they just kind of abandoned it, maybe, or it doesn't get used as much because that one's easier.
Let's show them it, though.
Yeah, go. Let's go that way.
Yep. Show them what we got.
So it looks like this doesn't get used as much, but there is a trail kind of meandering through here. And we're on our way back to the parking lot now, after having seen this that glorious man-made waterfall. And imagine back in the day, that water would have been right up to there. And that's where we're standing right now. It's just a couple feet from where the water would have been.
DC. It's a big truck.
It's a weak bridge.
Yeah.
So got a little exercise, got breathing some fresh air, and enjoyed some neat little sights. We're gonna head back to the parking lot. It's only down there I can see the road. Thanks a lot for stopping by, and we'll see you next time on Lumberjack in the Woods.
Peace. Have a good day, everybody.